Cheers, Seoul Pub Crawl. Spreading cheer. One shot at a time. Thank you. Good. You guys gonna get your shot too? Yeah. Alright, let's all get the shots together. Cheers. Okay. Instagram worthy picture. Okay. Thank you guys. Alright guys, sorry to interrupt, but I think it's time to take a little picture. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's better.
Oh yeah.
Show me your shots. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, again. 3, 2, 1.
Shots!
There! Finally! Goddamn. So, sorry I swear a lot. I'm French.
Alright.
Okay, make sure you turn it off before you drink up. Damn, that's a lot of fire.
Okay, you guys can drink.
Okay, let's go!
Holy shit. You went a bit overboard this time. Oh. How was it?
It was like 12 hours and I was and like the coming in so late. And she was like, are you okay?
What are we waiting for?
Guys, let's go!
Alright, cheers everybody. Cheers. Cheers guys, have fun tonight. Thank you. Cheers guys. Show me your drinks. Okay. Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, thank you. Where are you from?
Singapore originally.
Singapore, okay.
Yeah, I live in Australia.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for remembering.
Are you from Hong Kong?
Yeah.
We are from Hong Kong, yeah.
I love Hong Kong.
Thank you.
You're French now?
Yeah, I mean, I've been there a few times. I really like it.
Oh, really?
Why? What's the reason?
I mean, I like the nightlife there too.
Oh, did you go to the Lan Kwai Fong?
Yeah.
Yes, he's the Lan Kwai Fong people.
Okay.
I like camping, yeah.
Yep.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, I've got a whole of 17 subscribers.
Really?
Thank you guys.
¿Por qué estoy no?
What's going on here? We are Seoul Pub Crawl, spreading cheer one shot at a time. Let's go!
Yeah, and they're like 18 years old.
Hello! What's your name and where you're from?
I'm Jessica from Colombia.
Alright. Okay. I can't remember people's names, so now it's recorded.
But I move good, so I hope you remember my moves.
Let's go!
Bye.